Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Bosch dishwasher is showing you the E09 error code, this usually means that there is a problem with heating elements or water heating system. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly diagnose the issue and restore the proper cleaning performance. So first of all, E09 error code is typically linked to failed water heating. So the common signs that you see must be dishes not drying or water staying cold or poor cleaning results or longer wash cycles. So here identifying the heating loss early can help narrow down the root problem very quickly. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to inspect the heating element system. The Bosch dishwashers often use the integrated heat pump or inline heater. So a failed heating component can stop the water from reaching proper temperatures. So heating element replacement is often the primary repair that you can do here. Now sometimes the poor water movement can also affect the heating efficiency. So you need to inspect for any clogged filters, spray arm restrictions or pump circulation issues. The restricted circulation may reduce effective heat transfer and trigger E09. Now sometimes faulty electrical communication can also disrupt heating control. So you can check for heat wiring or thermistor connection and control board terminal. So loose or damaged wiring may create the false heating faults. So you can just simply follow along and see if the E09 error code is gone from your Bosch dishwasher. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.